Well, I suppose it had to happen sooner or later, but there is actually a song called Ubuntu. This is from singer-songwriter Jonathan Butler. Jonathan is a singer-songwriter from Cape Town, South Africa. Makes sense he would write a song called Ubuntu. He's been nominated for several Grammy Awards. He's had multiple hits on the what's called the smooth jazz charts or the contemporary jazz charts. He has released albums since 1975. I have some of these albums. I believe I have the album Jonathan. Anyway, he's good. He's a talented gentleman, a talented singer-songwriter. You can catch the song on YouTube. I'll have a link for this below in the show notes. You'll kind of get the feel for the song called Ubuntu. And no, it is not based on the Ubuntu operating system. But hey, the song is called Ubuntu. Now I'm just waiting for the song called Chrome OS, because Chrome OS is the best, at least for me anyway. So yeah.